So today we're in the campground, driving to the river, which is literally in the campground. So we can go tubing, and we got over new four.
These are like the lowest ranked tubes in the world.
Yeah.
So let's see how they work.
How much money were they, Caleb?
Weren't they $6?
No, they were $4 a piece.
Yeah, they were $4 a piece.
I know, right?
I mean, these things are so cheap, but they work pretty well.
They do the job.
There's like there's a stick there.
Yeah. For some reason.
And Gary can tell you why.
Okay. You'll probably see why later. Welcome to the river. On the journey to wherever this takes us. There's ducks. Look, ducks. There's ducks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh no, I'm just right now. Tugboat, I need your help. Okay, that's much better. Now I'm not in the way of that thing or the duck. Ducks! Guys, there's ducks!
Yep.
Yes, babies too. Time to go undercover. Oh yes, this is very undercover. No, I can't see where I'm going. Tugboat! Tugboat! Oh no! I'm running into this thing. I'm running into it. Ow! Tugboat! Tugboat! Thank you, tugboat! In the tugboat. Yep.
I take people away from the These are really boring. Oh, and if you want to get out of the seaweed, you probably don't want to be where you are.
Oops. Oh, this is...
There again, one foot is on the seaweed. This foot is not on seaweed. This foot right here is on seaweed.
Looks like it's on seaweed. Seems like Caleb was getting me through this rocky area, huh? With the stick. Oh yeah. Oh boy, the stick is floating away. Ah, no, give me the stick. Here you go. Bro, you're not a robot. Caleb, stop here. Stop here. Go, Caleb, go onto the shore. Wait for Deschutes. Dead and Justine have finally come.
You through the rocky area.
Oh no. I don't know if this is gonna go good or bad. He's pulling me pretty fast. I'm shit.
Danger. Approaching some odd object. Danger. Danger.
Approaching some odd objects, it seems.
Danger. 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 Danger.
Can you please stop saying danger?
I'm sorry.
There's no danger.
Sorry, it's just a stick.
Oh, it's a stick this size. It's itsy bitsy. It's a long stick. Now it's on the other barrier up there.
I thought you were underwater again.
Why did you fart underwater? That seems like a terrible idea. Also very small too. Stop, Caleb. Wait for Dead and Justine. Ah! Yes, it is rocky here. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna flip around. Hang on. That's how I still hold you. And hold on to my rafts. Got it. Hold on to my raft. Hold on to my inner tube. I am gonna flip over like this. Better? Yeah.
Oh, no, it's super
shallow.
Careful that stick. You'll hit tube.
Yeah. Tugboat in need. It looks like tugboat in need. Is tugboat in need gonna do a wheelie?
I'll do a bigger one.
Caleb, I can't see you. I can't see you in the camera. Let me flip around so that I can get a better view. Hang on a a sec. I didn't get you. Do it again. Do it again.
That might be better for you, actually.
Okay, so we're now at a rocky part apparently,
We're gonna go back.
and I was just tugboat for a while. Now Gavin's tugboat apparently, and I'm in a very shallow area with a bunch of sand. My knees are rubbing. I'm going to a deeper area real quick. So yeah, there's Gavin over there.
Have you looked at what's on the other side of that bird?
No, I'm gonna go. I'll go check it out right now.
Okay, find a bird.
Okay, just went over the ridge. I'm gonna do a wheelie. Oh, so you didn't see that.
Sorry, yeah.
Let's go. Cool wheelie. Let's see. Show that you can. Yeah, I'm taking it. Uh-oh. So yeah, what I really like. Oh, look, do you see it? You might not be able to see it, but there's an orange bucket over there. And you can, that's called checkpoint, where you have to get prepared to get out. So yeah, we're about to get out, and yeah.
We just got out of the back of the river, right?
Yep.
And we're now in the truck again. Caleb, stop. Caleb, what did you think of the river? Did you think it was refreshing?
Yeah, it was very refreshing. This is awesome.
Yeah. Worth going again?
Not today. That's for sure.
Yeah. It can get a little bit cold, but otherwise than that, it's very refreshing, right?
Very. Well, it's a hot day.
Yeah. You just like,
Nothing else to do. Let's go to the river. Woo! So yeah.
let's open the back. Let's go. Jean, what did you think of the river, and did you think it was refreshing?
I think it was refreshing.
You think it was refreshing? Did you like it, and did you think it's gonna be a good go to again?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, Gil, can you make sure that
Thank you for your interview.
Bye.